Welcome to the May vlog. So this one we're introducing a special guest. I would like you to meet my new puppy, Rhodes, like the piano. I'm really excited to introduce him to you. I'm hoping that he becomes the piano puppy. He is a Staffordshire Terrier and he is really new. He's just 6 weeks. But I've been waiting for him for a very long time. So while this is not a COVID puppy, this is definitely helping to keep my mind busy and my time busy. And yeah, he's just hanging out. We're gonna introduce him to everybody at the office today, and hopefully he will be my little office buddy in the future. Should we go meet some friends? Hey, that's my bag. Dude, that's my stuff. Where are you going? No. He's such a good little snuggler. He's so excited. This is your first time in the studio. Oh my goodness, you talk. So I have set up Rhodes' little pen in the studio and he's passed out. But he was ripping around like a little maniac earlier. So I know, it'd be kind of fun to have him here once in a while, but we'll see. He can be a little bit distracting. We're supposed to be focusing on the piano. So I just wanted to say hello. This is our May vlog. What's been going on at Pianote? Well, we are releasing our technique learning path. It's really actually called Piano Technique Made Easy, but it feels like a path to learning piano technique. So it is really amazing. It has every single scale, triad, arpeggio, there's warm-ups, there's chord progression practices for every single key. So there's 12 levels to represent each key signature. Cassie teaches it and walks you through all the steps. So if you've been wanting to improve your piano technique, that is for you. We also released a new course within the members area called Fills and Riffs. And that is all about like how to make your playing kind of sound a little extra. So that's been really cool. Personally, as you can see, I've got the puppy going on. And I've been staying pretty close to home due to COVID. So working lots of days at my home office, really missing my coworkers at the Pianote studios. But things are starting to return a little bit to normal for the time being here. But I've been thinking of you all a lot and hoping that the piano has been able to be a bit of a source of comfort for you, maybe a little bit of a creativity break from the stress. So I would really love to hear from you. I would love to hear about how music, or the piano specifically, has helped you deal with the stress, the COVID-related stress that we're all dealing with right now. I would love to hear, are you finding that you're practicing more? Are you practicing less? Are there certain songs that are just kind of taking you to a wonderful place? Maybe you're writing some songs. I've noticed there's been like a really big contrast. Some people are feeling super creative and they're spending a lot of time here, and other people are just kind of taking a break, and that's really absolutely fine too. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to sing you a song for this vlog. I thought Somewhere Over the Rainbow was kind of inspirational and whimsical, and I love the hopeful message, so here it is.